everyone, I'm Kelsey from Wearable Whisperer, and today I'm going to show you how to change the bands of your Fitbit Charge 3. So on the back of your Charge 3, you should see these quick release buttons on each side of the tracker. To remove a band, all you have to do is push down on the button and pull out. It shouldn't take too much force at all. I'll do it on the other side now. Push down, pull out. So now we just have the tracker. Pro tip, the side with the buckle and keeper always goes on the top of the tracker. And whether you love it or hate it, this Fitbit logo kind of shows you that that's the bottom side of the tracker. You can also just wake up your Charge 3 to see what's the bottom. So to insert a band, all you have to do is basically line it up and push it in. So line it up, push it in. And I did hear a click on that one. See the other side. Line it up, push it in. A little click there too. Probably a good idea to give it a little tug just to make sure they're on securely. But so far this is probably the easiest Fitbit to change a band on. Alright, hope you liked this video. Let me know with a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.